my local Walmart does not have much to choose from right now, and I think that's because how 2020 has gone, and there are a lot of people just making crafts at home to keep busy. But what I'm going to do is pour a little glitter out on my parchment paper. That way I don't waste my glitter. After each color, when I'm done with each color, I just make a little funnel from the parchment paper and put it back into the container. Now you'll see that I'm putting silver glue on the bottom half only of this bell, and that's because I'm going to make each bell a two-tone glittered color. Right there, I'm just dabbing on a little bit more of the Mod Podge because it didn't adhere at first. I'm going to set these aside to dry and then move on to the next product. The next three bells I'm showing you will be the bottom half of the bell is going to be the red glitter. Again, I got this at Walmart as well. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to use my Mod Podge. I'm going to sponge it onto the bottom half of the bell and glitter it up with some red glitter. While the bells dry, I'm going to show you how I'm going to glitter up these battery operated icicles. I only bought one pack because I wasn't really sure how I was going to use those, but here they are, and I'm just going to do the same technique I did with the bells. I'm going to sponge on the Mod Podge and then sprinkle the glitter over each icicle. Now with these icicles, they have little divots or grooves. You'll really want to make sure that you take extra care and sponge quite a bit of Mod Podge into each of those little grooves. And what I'm doing here, I'm inserting the batteries first before I glitter these icicles up. Now, I wasn't satisfied with the way the bells looked at this point, so I decided that I was going to take the top of the bell and put a different color of glitter on it, and I'm glad I did because I like the end product better. Again, it's the same technique throughout the video. Sponge on your Mod Podge, sprinkle your glitter, let them dry, and they actually turn out really vintage and antique-like. So I'm glad I put that antique paint on as a base coat to cover the bright silver that they were. I found some leftover pipe cleaners that I had from last year when I was making wreaths, and that's how I'm going to hang these bells on my tree. I just strung some of the little pipe cleaners through the little opening on the top of the bell, twisted the top, and I'm going to hang these on the tree. This way I think it added a really cute vintage old time touch to this project. And here's finished products. I'm just showing you what they look like on my Christmas tree. I say hang them wherever you want to. They could hang from a mantle or even a wreath. I love how they turned out, and I hope you enjoyed this video.